obviously benefit the state.
The Public Health Engineering Department is preparing a proposal of more than rupees 2,000 crore for a water supply scheme of the new Shillong Township, PHE Minister Marquis N. Marak said on Tuesday. The minister informed that they are preparing the proposal to be submitted to the Centre for Funding. Meanwhile, Marak also claimed that Phase 3 of the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme is making good progress. He said issues such as obtaining permissions from the defence authorities for laying the main feeder and distribution pipes led to the delay of the GSWSS project. He also said the department has not set any fresh deadline for completing the project but is trying to ensure it becomes a reality soon.
But with regard to Greater Water Supply Scheme, Shillong also is doing well. We are starting. We are trying our level best. Our chief engineer is extremely, doing well in terms of implementation of this one. I should say she is guiding the engineers in all the levels that is required. For the new Shillong Township, we are preparing the DPRs and all. It will be a totally separate scheme. Already started connecting with the Government of India for the funding and all. Not yet completed. It will cross 2,000 crores.
And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature